In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain in Shopify. This process is simple and helps connect your custom domain directly to your Shopify store for a more professional online presence. Let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom left corner and click on Settings. This is where you'll manage important store configurations, including your domains. Inside the Settings menu, click on Domains. Here you'll see all the domains currently connected to your Shopify store. Next, click on Connect Existing Domain. This option allows you to connect a domain you've already purchased from another provider, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. Now, enter your domain name carefully into the text field provided. Double-check the spelling to make sure there are no mistakes and then click Next. After that, Shopify will provide instructions for updating your DNS settings. You'll usually need to log into your domain provider account and point your DNS records to Shopify. In most cases, you'll update the A record to Shopify's IP address and point the CNAME record to shops.myshopify.com. Once you've updated the DNS settings, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will then check whether your domain is correctly connected. Keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a few minutes or even up to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet, so don't worry if the connection isn't immediate. After verification, your custom domain will officially be linked to your Shopify store and customers will be able to access your website using your new domain name. And that's it. You've successfully transferred and connected your domain to Shopify, making your online store look more professional and easier for customers to find. Thanks for watching and happy selling.